So if you remember, this was our first shoe, and this is from Macy's. However, it is a New York and Company shoe. So I'm going to show you this shoe. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Jill, and this is Jill Style. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. If you are part of that JS family, hugs and blessings to you. So you guys, I have decided to go ahead and style those shoes that I showed you guys in a couple of videos back, I believe it was. Maybe 3, I'm not sure. So I'm also going to do a small unbagging. Yes, unbagging. I think I have 2 things I want to show you guys. One I've opened, one I wanted to wait and open with you guys. So grab you a snack, grab you a drink, and let's get into this. Okay, family. So I'm going to give you my little review because I did not try these on when I did the unboxing. You guys saw that. So this pair here, I am returning these because as cute as they are not comfortable. So these will be going back. And, I hate it because these are so feminine. And I thought they looked really cute with my baby doll dress. However, not comfortable. And remember, I told you guys I'm all about comfort. So these are no. So let's go for the next one. Okay, you guys. So this one here. This one is a keeper. So yes, I'm keeping this. Of course I'm keeping it. 1, it's low. 2, it's comfortable. And look at that heel. I've got to keep it. So keeper. Yes. I'll find one on this Flexo. So our next shoe, which is my favorite, is the clear one. Now, I'm going to wait and I'm going to, before I make a final decision, because for whatever reason, I'm retaining water, so my feet are a little swollen. So these, yes, I thought they were cute on, even though they felt a little, because this strap was kind of tight, but it wasn't that way when I tried it on the first time. So I'm going to wait a little bit before I decide whether I'm going to keep these or take them back. But I do love these. Love, love, love. Yes, honey. This is Miss Stinky. So, yes. Love this shoe. So, the last shoe was not part of the original unboxing, but I told you guys I thought I had 4. Well, this one is also from New York and Company. However, I didn't get it from New York. No, I did get this one from New York and Company. The other New York and Company shoe came from Macy's. But anyway, I like this shoe and I don't like this shoe. I like it because of the color, and I'm trying to get more color in my wardrobe. However, I don't know whose ankles they thought this strap was going to fix. If I kept this shoe, I would have to get some of this cut out because it's too big. And I don't know, you guys. I don't know. We'll see. But that's this shoe. And that is our shoe styling. I chose this tan baby doll dress because I figured it would go with all the looks. And then for the neutral color shoes, you would just pop it with the colorful purse. Orange, pink, green, what have you. So on to the unbagging. We're going to do this one since I've already opened it. This is from New York and Company as well. Well, I opened the bag. I didn't open it because I knew what it was. So this, you guys, hold a minute. Let's do this. Let's change the angle of the camera. So 1 second. Okay. So let's look at this. this is just a little spring dress. It looks very, very simple. It's kind of a fit and flare. And you guys, I don't know, I'm gonna have to try this on because it's got plenty of stretch. And if I didn't say, this is from New York and Company. It has the double-breasted buttons on each side. So I want to try this on, but I think I'll wait. So anyway, this is one thing that I got. This right here, I think I know what it is, but I'm not sure. Yes, it is. Okay. So, this is from Shein. And you guys, this right here, I'm kind of excited about this because in the picture, these are really, really cute. I'm going to insert a picture right here of how the model looks with these on. I was trying to see if they were long enough. They're definitely long enough. They've got stretch. I think these are, now this is what made me get these. I thought they were so cute. To me, this makes it edgy. So when I'm trying to be that girl, yes, this and a nice tank top and my little Miss leather earrings. I love these earrings, guys. As you can tell, because I wear them all the time. But yes, these are cute. So I think this is the only clothing piece in there, but hold on. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I forgot. I forgot about this. Now, this may be, check this out, you guys. This is a top. Aren't those colors fabulous? And with these pants, oh, that may be a look. You know what? I might have to do something with this and show you guys. So yes, that's this. This is see-through. So either you would wear a cami underneath or a pretty black bra or whatever. I would either do black or I would do, I have a brown that matches my skin tone. I would do either or. And I got this in a size 2X. You guys, I'm loving this. And the pants, I got them in a 2X as well. So I think the other things in the bag are accessories. Something like that there. And I'm going to re-angle. No, I'm not. We're just going to leave the camera right here. So, okay. Oh, yes, honey, yes. So I needed a couple of these when I was styling those shoes. Hold on now. Let's see what we are working with. These are earrings. I have 4 pair of earrings. Look at these yellow. You guys, look at that. Let me bring that close. Is that not cute? Let's put a pair on. Hold on. We're going to put a pair on. That is so stinking cute. I love a statement earring. I love a statement earring when I'm trying to make a statement. When I'm trying to have a quiet, subtle look, then I go a little, Hunty, look at that. Let's get close. Look. Can you see that? Oh, that's fabulous. And I think all these earrings, I don't think there was a pair over $3. So that's that pair. I'm in love. I'm in love. And let's see. Let's go for, we'll say those two for last. Okay. So we have this simple, you guys know I don't have a lot of gold. So I'm trying to get a little bit of gold because I'm more of a silver girl. But these are gold and black. That design almost reminds me of Anne Klein from back in the day. You guys remember Anne Klein's earrings with the lion? And it had that kind of design. Let's look. Let's see. Oh, yes. So that's cute as well. Look at that. Mm-hmm. That would be cute with this dress as well. I like that. Oh, these earrings and these shoes, since they have the gold and black. Wouldn't that be cute? Yes, hunty. Yes. Okay, so on to the next pair of earrings. This is another statement when you're trying to be, just a little bit extra. Look at these. These kind of remind me, oh, that's a pretty flower. It reminds me of a flower, but also reminds me of a champagne bottle. Look at that. Yes. Okay, and I'm show you. Can you see how that tapers? That's the part that kind of reminds me of a champagne bottle. And of course, this is like a flower. That's really cute. But these will be fit. Well, it's fine with my hair back like this. I know you guys are sick of seeing my hair pull back. But let me tell you, oh, the rain, 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 rain. And I got the kind of hair that even though it's chemically treated, it will blow up like it'll be big. It'll get big and fuzzy. But anyway. So, what did I do with the back? Okay, we'll find it in a minute. So the last pair, oh, silky now. 1 second. I love pink and khaki together, don't you? I just think it's really pretty. I also like yellow with khaki. You can wear a lot with khaki. Ooh, yes. Let me get close so you can see. Look at that. And you guys, as I said, I don't think any of these earrings were $3. Could be, but I don't think so. I'll try to, I'll have the link for the blouse, the pants, and the earrings in the description box down below. Yes. Shoot. That make me take my girl off and leave her on. Because let's put those on. Because it's a purple color. And we need a little color in our life, sis. We need a little color. Color makes it look good. So, let's see here. Yes, baby, yes. Yes, see, with earrings like this and the other pair I had on, you don't need all that right there. Less is more. I love it. So you guys, this is going to end the video. But once again, I'm going to have all the links listed in the description box down below. So if you saw something that you like, make sure you check out the description box. Don't forget to thumbs me up. I need you guys to thumbs me up. Thumbs me up. Share me out. Leave a comment. Tell a friend. Because you guys, this is what's happening to me. And it's very, very frustrating. And it happens to a lot of YouTubers. They're doing the analytics a little different now. So I was able to look. I gained like 81 new subscribers. And I lost 41 new subscribers. So anyway, I need you guys to tell a friend, check and make sure, because sometimes I've had to go back and resubscribe to people because for whatever reason I was unsubscribed. So check and make sure that you're still subscribed to me. Uh, if not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button once again, along with that notification bell, and then hit all. Make sure you always hit all so you're notified every time I upload a video. So you guys, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.